Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today's video is going to feature some top winter hairstyle ideas that you can wear this season. Here we have a beautiful bob haircuts. This one features a nice classic bob style, middle part down the center. And then we have a hair transformation. So she ended up getting a very stylish French girl bob. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a gorgeous spiky pixie haircut. This is perfect for those who are looking to add more volume to their hair. And then we move into a hair transformation. So the stylist is going to be cutting some gorgeous layers within her long hair. And if you guys do already follow this channel, you know that layers are going to be one of the hottest hair trends that we're going to be seeing in 2023. And this is yet another great way to add some volume to your hair. Next up, we see another hair transformation. She ended up getting a gorgeous pixie style. Another gorgeous pixie haircut for that one, followed by this stunning pixie complete with bangs. She looks absolutely gorgeous. I think that the baby bangs really frame out the pixie so well, creating a lovely texture throughout. Next up, we have a hair color transformation. Loving the choppy texture that the stylist created with this pixie. She looks absolutely amazing. Next up, we have another layered hairstyle. Stylist is really just creating a beautiful shaggy texture with this one. And then we have a bob haircut transformation. Beautiful blonde bob haircuts. Absolutely stunning. So it looks like the stylist dyed the hair blonde with this one. So we have two very trendy pixie haircut styles, absolutely gorgeous. Do you prefer the blonde or the brunette? So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas to check out this winter, be sure to look at this video next.